Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. If you like the content I'm putting out, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you like this video. Hey everybody, I'm going to go over my long range, or my rifle bag that whenever I go to the range I'll take rifles in this. So you could use this as a backpack or carry it with carry handles. Doesn't have a, I do not know what brand it is, but you can find ones that look like this. Has several pockets on the front. I'll go over, just go over that first. So you've got these three central ones that you could buckle down, fit extra mags, whatever. It has paracord, or not paracord, but bungee on it, so you could cinch that down. This central pocket has a little Velcro thing in the front for a patch. Velcro's down. These also cinch down. I've used these for storing extra mags. This was, I believe this was my very first bag that I bought. So anytime I'd go to the range, guns would go inside, spare mags and stuff would go in here before I had all my other stuff. This one's pretty much same deal as this one. It has a little teeny separator film in here, so you could put two different things in. Cinch it down, have these buckles to really make sure it's secure. These two pockets on the side, there's excuse me, there's pals here for your molly attachments, and these are kind of flat pockets. So I have a tool in here. This is for adjusting, it's a, which one is it? What gauge is it? It is it's a sight tool. I think this is, oh, it's my aim point. So has the point, the little nubs to take the little caps off, and this is to adjust your windage and stuff like that. That's what I used that for last I was in here. I had to zero my aim point. Another flat pocket has pals on the front, and then when you get into the central pocket, there's a divider here, so you can put one rifle on this side and one rifle on this side. This is padded. There's also padding on both sides. There's pockets here, so you put the butt of the rifle, the barrel of the rifle. There's these Velcro straps, so once it's in here, you lay it down, you Velcro it down so it stays put in its little area. Other side is the same. It has this padded thing that, so it kind of makes a padded box when this is closed and zipped up. It's padded on all sides. So this will fit my AR, fit my X95, Glial, any of that sort of stuff fits in here. If you had like a super long hunting rifle or something, it might not. I forget what the actual length of this bag is, but it served me well. I still use it. I just, whenever I'm going to the range, load this bad boy up and take whatever you need. And if you were to go on a hunting trip or something and had weapons this size, you could use these backpack straps, and then they buckle across your chest like that, so that way you know, stays on your back, and then you just carry it vertical. So having one of these, I like to have it. It's good for range trips, camping trips, hunting trips. I used something similar to this, but it was only a single whenever I went on my caribou trip, because I only took the one rifle. I didn't need to bring multiple long guns. I don't know what brand it is. It has no brand insignia on it, but I see stuff like this at Sportsman's, Cabela's, all over the place all the time, anytime I'm in one of those sporting goods stores. And I like it. It served me well. So regardless of brand, all the ones I've seen, I have another one that's black, and it's very similar to this, and I got them separate times, separate places. I think I got the black one in Fairbanks at a, I think it was at Arctic Ammo, and then I got this one at Sportsman's in Wasilla. So, or vice versa. But they're both pretty much the same, and I think what might be happening is they're like manufactured somewhere, probably China. Actually, I didn't see a tag, but they all look very similar with like this configuration of pockets, pals, flat pockets over here, the central compartment, and then the backpack straps and the carry handles. So they could be getting manufactured all at the same place, and then different labels or different people just selling them under their own brand, like they do with private labeling their glue or whatever for flooring. But having one of these bags is handy if you have multiple long guns, or even just one. You could get them in one bag configuration, or the two, like this one carries two. They're handy to have. I recommend you have one if you are taking rifles to the range, hunting, whatever. It makes carrying them around a lot better. Before I had this, I would be taking them in like my X95 in the box it came in, and it did have some foam and stuff, but whenever I started adding optics and stuff to it, the optic rubbed on the cardboard and rubbed some of the finish off of the EOTech, which is just a cosmetic thing, and it doesn't affect the functionality of it. But it was a little bit of a bummer that I scratched it off just taking it to the range and taking it home. Not the actual shooting damaged it or roughed it up, made it look lived in, but just being in a box with cardboard. So, hope that helps.